Hey everyone, it's Russ Nesovich with Nesovich Law, and today I have a special guest with me as we do estate planning tips. This is Champ. Champ is a boxer, and Champ is about 10 months old, and he's part of our family. He's actually our second boxer. We lost our first boxer, Rocky, about 5 years ago, and not a day has gone by that the kids have not asked for a dog. So we finally got Champ. Champ is not in the mood to be on camera anymore. So the reason that I had Champ on with me today is because I wanted to talk a little bit about pets and estate planning and whether or not you've mentioned your pets in your estate plan. So pets, while we all consider them members of the family, we certainly do here. We refer to him as our fourth child. Champ is actually, in the eyes of the law, considered property. And as property, he should probably be mentioned in one way or another in your estate plan. And there's really two ways to do that. The first way to do that is to actually include him in the will and to basically say that upon your passing, what happens to your dog or your cat or your bird or any other pet that you may have, where they go, to whom they go. Some people have even gone as far as creating trusts for the benefit of the pet. So if you're leaving your pet to someone who doesn't necessarily have the means to take care of them, you may want to leave a trust with some assets for the care of the pet, for the person who will have the pet to use for the care of the pet for the life of the pet. Another way to do it is to deal with it in a document called a personal property memorandum. And a personal property memorandum is something that is generally referenced by your will, where you can leave certain items to specific people. So for example, your will may not mention the fact that you have jewelry or a dog or a cat, but it may reference that you have left behind a personal property memorandum. And in that personal property memorandum, you have left specific things to specific people, and you want it honored as part of your will. In that personal property memorandum, one of the possessions that you would certainly consider mentioning is something like a dog or a cat or another pet that you may have. If you have any questions about that or anything else related to estate planning, please give us a call at that number or leave us a comment. Leave us a picture of your pet in the comments. We'd like to see some of your pets. I'll give it a like if I see your dog or your cat or your fish or your bird. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. We're happy to answer them in a future video. Thanks so much. We look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.